Yeah. Okay, so if you're looking to explore the underwater world and get up close and personal with marine life, you can try scuba diving. Director of Yadi Environmental Conservationists Limited, Jaden Law, joins us now to tell us more. Jaden, why you look... I can fix this. To tell us more. Oh, hi! The air up here is nice.
Yes.
How are
it
you?
is.
Thank you
I'm
for
good.
being here.
I'm good.
This
Thanks
is
for
rough on
having
my
me.
knees.
Thanks for having me.
Tell me a little bit about the company.
So
How long have
the
you guys
company,
been around?
well, the company has been around since 2013. It was started by Llewellyn Meggs and myself.
We got Megs.
Yes. And since 2014, we're marine biologists.
Yes.
We went to the University of the West Indies. So we have our degrees from there. And then shortly after, 2014, we did an instructor development course in Key Largo, Florida, where we became PADI instructors.
And PADI means...
The
It's
professional.
not just how Jamaican Americans say patty.
No.
Something else.
It stands for the Professional Association of
Divers
Dive Instructors.
Okay, I was going to say
Right.
Divers International.
No,
All right,
that's
not so
something
bad. Okay, so what does scuba diving do for you? What is it about it that you love?
It's an escape from the surface.
Clearly.
It's an escape from COVID and the war and all of the other things. It's a proper escape. It's like a whole new world.
Wow.
Yes, it's like a mental
Tell me
relief.
what the most beautiful thing you've seen down there is.
The most beautiful thing I've seen is a shipwreck that we have just off Port Royal called the Texas. It sits at 100 feet and it's covered
100 feet down?
100 feet down. The deck comes up to 80 feet and it's covered with old growths of coral and there's fish around it. There's large school of tarpon like this big swimming around it. There's small bait fish, thousands of them. It's just absolutely beautiful.
Oh,
That
so
is
see,
the
you know,
most
when I
beautiful
look at
thing
this
I've
image
seen.
on the screen now, and he said to me, Simone, why you never come scuba diving? And I said, well, see, I would love to see that, but I would still be afraid. So do a lot of the folks that come to you guys, to come to Yardie Divers, are they usually afraid to go underwater?
No, they're
Explore.
usually very adventurous. And so when they come, they're eager to go out. They're willing, they're receptive to the instructions, and they enjoy
How
themselves.
far down do you take them?
As far as you're comfortable.
Really?
As far as you're comfortable, which is, but I won't pass 40 feet for a particular activity called Discover Scuba Diving, which we do at Lime Key with persons who are able-bodied and persons who are adventurous.
Yeah.
So Discover Scuba Diving is for the, the adventure junkie person or somebody just want to just experience what it's like to scuba dive, but they don't necessarily have to do a full certification.
You don't have this like a package for the people who just want to like stand up in the water and put on the face thing and just shove their head down and they're
That
finished.
is Discover Scuba Diving. That is Discover Scuba
But
Diving.
that's a 40 feet. I mean like stand up
No.
in...
We start off where the water is
Oh, me love
nice
that one
and
then.
shallow.
Yes.
And you walk off from the beach at Lime Key, right where it's shallow, and then we'll ask you to kneel, and we'll slowly get you to get accustomed to the equipment.
Now, would I have been said to have scuba dive if I did that?
Yes.
I still qualify?
Yes.
Even if I'm standing on my knees?
And you'd get pictures to prove it as well.
Oh, well, there you go. It's some of them on the screen now. What do I need to be able to do and what do I need to know before I come to you and say, I want to scuba dive?
All right, well, first you need to make a booking
Okay.
to ensure that, we're going out on a particular day, usually on the weekend. You need to be able-bodied, healthy, and you must be over 10 years old.
Do I need to know how to swim?
Swimming for Discover Scuba Diving is not a requirement, but if you want to learn to dive and get certified and travel the world and explore, then you will need to know how to swim.
Do you guys certify folks?
Yes, we do.
Excellent.
Yes, we do.
Fantastic.
Both Megs and myself, we're instructors.
Okay, yes, you did tell me you're instructors, but I never know if that gave you the license to certify
Yes, it does.
anybody else. Okay, so let me see how this equipment gonna...
All right,
Jaydan.
so if you come out with us on the weekend and you're getting ready to scuba dive, this is the gear that you're going to be using.
How much does that weigh?
This is very, very light. You can feel it.
Okay, it's not bad. Okay.
All right, but we'll add weights to this, just a few pounds, just to help you to go down, because this is the BCD, the buoyancy control device. All right, So this is going to help you to float at the surface.
Okay.
Then we have your mask and your snorkel. This will help you to breathe at the surface.
Right.
This will help you to see underwater.
Okay.
Then we have your regulator. That's going to be connected to your tank, and I'm going to show you the tank in a little.
Right.
This
Very
is
important.
to help you to get all of your air. And of course, we're going to have your fins that will help you to move in the water.
Let's do it.
All right, so I'm going to set it up real quick. I have a tank here. All right, so someone if you can lend me that,
What do you want?
the stand behind you, please.
My height stand?
You're not going to need it.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to set it up real quickly for you. All right, so when you come out to the...
How much does the tank weigh?
Well, let's see. You want to try?
No, it's okay, great.
All right,
I'll just take your word for it. Thanks.
All right, so when you come out, of course, we're going to assist you. And it's an early morning activity. All right, so when you come out, we're going to kit you up
So
with the gear.
in addition to this tank, you're going to put weights in this?
Yes.
Well done.
No, man, don't worry, you'll manage, man. When you go in the water, what do you think happens to the weight?
You become weightless. So
They become weightless, right? So the short trip from the beach to the seaside, that's all you'll have to do with the tank. And of course, when you have it on the back, it's going to not be that heavy.
Okay.
So you'll be fine, all right?
This is going to be fun.
All right, so here we are. We're ready to go. All right, so turn it on. Okay, and then now,
Yeah, this is like a hairpin seat.
I'm going to strap you in. All right, so come on.
Kids don't try this at home.
Yeah, that's right. Come out to Port Royal with
Sure,
the divers and try it there.
to the PADI certified instructors. Yeah, the divers. Whew. Oh my.
All right, so
What you want me to know?
I want you to step off, all right? So anticipate the weight, you know. Anticipate the weight.
Can't move.
Step off,
Hold
step
on.
off.
Okay, got
and
it.
there you go.
Wow, this is heavy.
Not so bad, is it?
Holy cow. Okay. Ja. Wait, no. We cannot go scuba diving without the
So,
fins.
come grab your fins.
Can't just walk into the water.
Come grab your fins, grab your fins, grab your fins.
Then we're going to put them on, sir.
When we get in the water, we're going to put them on.
Then we know in the water now. Wink, wink.
So you can put them on
Yes,
now? All right,
I
come
have to
sit
show
down
the
here, so
people
let's
the
put them on. Come, come. Come, sit down here, so.
Can you put them on over here? Cinderella me right
all
here.
right, all right, all right. Come, let's go.
Oh, ja.
Come.
No, wait, no, man. The tank is taking me back down the street. Okay.
Put your foot in.
The new version of... Jaden, hold my hand, I'm falling. New version of Crocs. Okay.
All right, one on. All right, come.
Oh, jeez.
Other one on. Tighten it up. All right, now listen to the trick now. Listen to what's going to happen. You have to walk backward.
Pardon?
You have to walk backward if you have on the fins.
Reverse.
Yes.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
So anywhere you want to go, you step back.
This is like when we used to go to school and you have bag full of book. Well, we're not going in any water, but so this is what you look like when you're decked out.
Yes.
And this is it. And you just...
And have your mask, of course.
Put on your marks. Me not put on the mask. Papi show stop right here. So you guys operate weekends mainly?
Yeah, but if you,
in the week as well?
Yeah, but if you have a group, if you get a booking, we're there as well.
Okay.
So we offer, in addition to the Discover Scuba Diving, we have mangrove tours where we take you into the Port Royal mangroves. We teach you about the mangrove ecology. We have lime key trips.
So it's a full something.
Yes, it is.
Because your marine biology background has to play some role in this. It's not just about fun. You're teaching folks about the environment.
Exactly.
And everything going on with the corals, coral reefs. It's important for folks.
And speaking of teaching, this summer we actually have a summer camp on for kids.
Oh, nice.
So 10 to so 2 age groups, 10 to 13 and 14 to 17. The first 2 weeks for each age group. The first group will start July 4th, and the second group will start July 18th.
Okay. So for the folks who want to come now and check you guys out, to get their friends together and everybody comes out and does a diving trip with you, where do they find you?
They can find us on Instagram at Yardy_divers. We can take all the bookings there, all the information is there. We'll send out emails as well once we get the information, so you have all of the information about the activities that we're going to be doing.
Awesome sauce. Jaron, how much is tank weigh?
The tank is about 60 pounds. The tank is about 60 pounds.
You know, the man that tell me say tank weighs 60 pounds till the man make me walk away with the tank. Okay, we're going to send him home because I have to take off this. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. All the best with the business. Llewellyn, good job. Thank you so much for being here. Director of Yardie Environmental Conservationist Limited, Jaden Law. This is actually a very good workout because I feel my core working, and my legs.
Good job, good job.
Happiness, Mario, good job. Matada, good job. On the other side of the break, a rhythm dance challenge that's not